Hakala asngi ublay jangka tayo Executive Director jangka Punjab National Bank Ashok Chandra. Ulapan mana baga bank gala Pynkhreh iki babon kilat ban airam khamtam ikito gibasang yaki karkhanaret bat ikinong rep da ka jingtmu ban kyntiew ya kayo kakot. Executive Director ke Punjab National Bank Ashok Chandra ulapan tep baga bank gala Pynkhreh shibun kilat ban airam nang baki kor keyboard digital ban kyntiew kayo kakot Meghalaya. Kamtam na kabenta ki micro, small ban medium enterprise bat kinong rep. Habakrani kilat patai kubor aga kendai trip gulaber arajar arpun rio Ashok Chandra ulong ba kini ki micro, small ban medium enterprise MSME. Kila ban yo ram hadu arpsan lak tengka klem dalan ka menpak ki kot ki slash ko office. Ndai de ban le bet lyngba ke website jang ka bank. Ka bank ka ai ram ru long ba ka scheme menteri rang ba ado na ka bentak tu kwa menchna boarding na ka sngi ne ka solar hatnum yeng lyngba kilat jang ki kor ki bor ka juk pementa. Ka Punjab National Bank ketemu benerap ketenat jeng okai pertai da ka airam na ka benta ki guest house bat ban snok tilang bat ka sarkar jela ha ki scheme ai subsidy. Ba ka leburu ki QR code haman la ki shnat jeng bank kenang ba kinong shnong kila ban ai ya ki jingmut jeng ki halo ka jing shakri jeng kinong tre bank. Ashok Chandra ule thu ba ka Punjab National Bank ran lai pun ru tali ketenat ha Meghalaya ba kitmu banang penyar ka jing shakri ki wedi ki district ban kyntiew ka bha jang ka bank ha ka ka than chatai lam mi.
When we are all aiming and working for the Viksit Bharat 2047, we need to play very, very important role. We are mindful of that, and keeping that in mind, the bank has come out with a lot of initiatives on the business front, whether it is the MSME or the agri or the retail. We have come out with a lot of good digital tools now. And especially I will focus on the MSME because that is one of the important sectors of the economy. We have come out with the digital MSME sanctions where up to 25 lakh you did not submit any document. You can just go to our website or take assistance of our branch and they will take you to the business rule engine which the bank has come out. And just you need to provide any entrepreneur who is looking for the business loan, they need to provide that their individual details, if they are paying the GST details, and the system itself will validate everything. And depending upon the cash flow in the account, the eligibility gets decided and the amount also will get sanctioned digitally. We have also made tie-up arrangement for the digital documentation with NESL. So digital documentation also will happen and then the disbursement also will happen through the digital channel now. There is no collateral required. They can do it through the CGTMSC. So this one area definitely I would like to popularize in this particular state. And agri also, we have the scheme for the self-help group which is end-to-end digital again. Then we have a scheme for the food processing, KCC, allied activities. So bank has the different products for suiting the requirement for each and every segment of the society. And we know the importance of these northeast states and that to the Meghalaya. We have 26 branches in this particular state, and my visit to this state is to understand the requirement, understand the opportunities. Bank, we are putting a lot of focus on customer service. This is one of the topmost agendas of the bank. Growth will happen under the umbrella of the customer service and the ambience. Second, government has come out with good initiative, like I was told that homestay also government has come out with a scheme. Definitely PNB will partner for that particular activity and we will play important role in the credit delivery in that particular segment. I was also told that a lot of other government schemes are there where the government is providing the comfort by way of the subsidies. I think definitely all those areas bank will look into that, and wherever any financial interventions are required, bank will provide all the support. Most of these initiatives is backed by the digital tools now. Like today we have I mentioned about the digital MSME, up to 25 lakh end-to-end digital is there. Prime Minister, the solar rooftop scheme is there. That is also end-to-end digital. Anybody who wants to put the solar rooftop, they can go to our site and they can apply, and the sanction disbursement, everything will happen through the digital tool now. PM Vishwakarma scheme, PM Swanidhi scheme, these are all end-to-end digital products are there. So today, every third loan which happens in the bank is through the digital now. And we are aiming that another 3 months time, every second loan in the bank will happen through the digital tool. So that is the way we are creating the digital atmosphere. As on today, we have 85,000 crore of digital loans done through the digital tools now. 85,000 crore. So a lot of focus is there on the digital, and focus is that through the digital whether we can improve the customer service.